Hello, hi dear students, welcome to my channel. In this episode, we are going to discuss trigonometry VSIQs, very short answer type questions. In this, periodicity problem based on periodicity of the function, trigonometry functions we are going to discuss. This concept is very important in the intermediate first year trigonometry. 2 marks question will come from this concept. So let us have a discussion. The first question. If f of x equal to tan 5x, then find the period of the function. So here, what is the periodicity of the function tan x? Here, the period of the function, the period of f of x equal to tan ax is pi by mod a. This is the formula. For writing this formula only 1 mark. Now you write the given function. F of x equal to tan 5x here a is equal to 5. Therefore, the period of the given function, the period of f of x is pi by mod a. In place of a substitute 5, which is equal to pi by mod a mod 5, which is equal to 5, pi by 5. Therefore, the period of the function is pi by 5. We'll move to the next question. Here we have to know about cos x. The period of f of x equal to cos ax plus b is 2 pi by mod a. This is the formula regarding the function in this form. F of x equal to cos of ax plus b. So now write the given function. F of x equal to cos of ax plus b. 4x plus 9 divided by 5. So now we can split as we can write in the form of ax plus b 4x by 5 plus 9 by 5. Still you have to write it as f of x equal to cos of 4 by 5 into x plus 9 by 5. Now here a is equal to 4 by 5. After getting the value of a, the period of the given function, f of x is 2 pi by mod a, which is equal to 2 pi by, a value is 4 by 5, mod 4 by 5, anyway it is positive. You can write it as 2 pi divided by 4 by 5, denominator of denominator will become numerator. So which is equal to 2 pi into 5 divided by 4. 2 ones are 2 2s, which is equal to 5 pi by 2. Therefore, the period of the given function cos of 4x plus 9 by 5 is 5 pi by 2. We'll move to the next question. F of x equal to cos of 3x plus 5 plus 7. Even constant is there, you cannot consider. Only this function you have to take. Like cos of 4x plus 9 by 5. First you write the period of the given function. The period of f of x equal to cos of ax plus b plus c is also equal to 2 pi by mod A. Now here given function f of x equal to cos of 3x plus 5 plus 7. Here the value of a you have to write. Here a equal to 3. Therefore, the period of the function, the period of given function better, is 2 pi by mod a. 2 pi by a value is 3, mod 3, which is equal to 2 pi by 3. We'll move to the next question. The next question, f of x equal to tan of x plus 4x plus 9x plus and so on n square x. First here x value, a value is not there, tan ax if we compare with a value is not there. So we have to calculate a value by taking the common x in this function. First you have to write given function. Given function. F of x equal to tan of x plus 4x plus 9x plus and so on plus n square x, which is equal to tan of x take common 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus and so on plus n square. That also can be written as tan of x into 1 square, 4 can be written as 2 square, 9 can be written as 3 square plus and so on n square. This bracket value we know that since sigma n square equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on. First sum of the squares of first n terms, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So in place of this bracket value you have to replace with this. So now it will becomes tan of x into n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So now compare with tan ax. So here a is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Therefore, the period of the function, the period of given function, the period of given function is pi by mod a. Why? Because here function is tan. We have that the period of tan x, the period of tan ax is pi by mod a. So in place of a, this value you can replace. Pi divided by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So denominator of denominator, numerator, 6 pi divided by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1, which is the periodicity of period of the given function, tan of x plus 4x plus 9x plus and so on plus n square x, which is the period of the function. We'll move to the next question. The next question, find the period of the functions f of x equal to mod sin x and f of x equal to cos power 4x. To find this type of period functions, period of the functions, we have to follow the definition of periodic function and period of the function. See, let us discuss the definition of the periodicity of the function. See here, definition. If f is defining from E to R is a periodic function, if f is defining from E to R is a periodic function and there exists a smallest positive real number such that f of x plus p equal to f of x for all x belongs to E means here domain of the function, then P is called period of the function, f of x. We have to follow this definition to find the periods of the functions. So here, observe carefully, if the function f is defining from E to R is a periodic function, then there exists a smallest positive real number. This you have to note it. Smallest positive real number such that f of x plus p equal to f of x. f of x plus p equal to f of x. This is very important. Smallest positive real number such that f of x plus p equal to f of x. In place of p, pi by 2, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, like this if you take whatever the function you are taking, the same function if you get among that pi, 2 pi, pi by 2 and so on, these values, whichever the smallest positive real number, that is called the period of the function. See, let us discuss on this problem. So here first consider the given problem, given function f of x equal to mod sin x. I am verifying that f of x plus pi by 2. If you take pi by 2, sin of pi by 2 plus x is what? Sin of 90 plus theta, cos theta. But cos theta means it is here, sin theta is there, no? We cannot take. So next to f of pi you can take that. So which is equal to mod sin of pi plus x, wherever x is there, pi plus x you have to write. Sin of pi plus x, pi plus means third coordinate, sin of pi plus theta is minus sin theta, which is equal to mod minus sin x. Within modulus it will become plus only, no? So mod sin x, which is equal to f of x. So f of x plus pi is equal to f of x. And one more thing you take. One more. Why can't you take only f of x plus pi? F of 2 pi also you can take now. So which is equal to mod sin of 2 pi plus x. 2 pi plus means again in the first quadrant. 360 plus x, first quadrant. In the first quadrant sign is positive. So sin x, which is equal to f of x. F of x plus 2 pi equal to f of x. Similarly, 3 pi also you can take 3 pi. That means pi plus 2 pi plus 3 pi plus means third quadrant. Again, we will get it. F of x plus 3 pi. Similarly, you can take that. Mod sin of x plus 3 pi or 3 pi plus x, which is equal to minus sin x, sin of 3 pi plus x. So it will become sin of 3 pi means third coordinate plus. Third coordinate means you will get it as minus. Mod minus sin x is plus sin x, which is also f of x. Observe carefully, dear students. See, by definition of periodic function, f of x plus p equal to f of x. F of x plus pi equal to f of x. F of x plus 2 pi equal to f of x. f of 3x plus 3 pi equal to f of x, which all are correct and all are satisfying the condition. But here observe that smallest positive real number among pi, 2 pi and 3 pi, which one among these, not only this one, more values will come. Among these, which one is the smallest one? Pi, 2 pi, 3 pi and so on. In this, pi is the smallest one. Therefore, the period of the function, the period of f of x equal to mod sin x is pi. Among these, pi is the smallest positive real number. That is the reason pi is the period of the function f of x equal to mod sin x. Come to cos power 4x. Even this category question is also same. So consider given function f of x equal to cos power 4x. So here also we will verify that f of x plus pi, cos power 4 of x plus pi or pi plus x. Cos of pi plus theta is minus cos theta. Minus cos theta whole power even number of times now. So which is equal to minus cos x whole power 4, which is equal to cos power 4x, which is equal to f of x. F of x plus pi is equal to f of x. Similarly, f of x plus 2 pi, f of x plus 3 pi, f of x plus 4 pi and so on, if you take, whenever it is power is even number, you will get anyway cos x. So among these, which one is smallest? Pi is the smallest. So now the period of given function f of x equal to cos power 4x is also pi. Based on the definition, we have to do these type of problems. Next question. Let us have another question model periodicity problems. Find the period of the function f of x equal to 2 sin of pi x by 4 plus 3 into cos of pi x by 3. To find the period of this type of problems, here I wrote the procedure. To find the period of f of x equal to sin ax plus tan bx or sin ax minus cos bx, sin ax plus cos bx, like these functions are there. First find the period of the first function. Second, find the period of the second function. After that, to find the period of the required function, the LCM of the periods of these two functions is the answer. So first calculate period of this function, After that you can calculate the LCM of these two. First, given function f of x equal to 2 into sin of pi x by 4 plus 3 into cos of pi x by 3. In that, first I am considering this function. The period of f1 of x, this I am taking as f1 of x, equal to sin pi x by 4 is, for sin ax, what is the period function? We know that the period of sin ax is 2 pi by a. So 2 pi divided by a value is what here? Pi by 4. So which is equal to 2 pi divided by pi by 4. Pi get cancelled, denominator of denominator 2 into 4, which is equal to 8. So the first function, this is f1 of x, we are assuming this is f2 of x. Whenever the sum of two functions or the difference of two functions are there, first find out both the functions periods. After that you can take the LCM of these two functions. Second one I am writing the period of second function, the period of f2 of x equal to cos pi x by 3 is 2 pi by mod pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3, pi by 3, pi get cancelled, denominator of denominator 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now to get the period of this function f of x is the LCM of 8 and 6. Therefore the period of f of x is equal to 2 sine of pi x by 4 plus 3 cos of pi x by 3 is LCM, least common multiple of LCM of 8 comma 6. 8 comma 6 LCM how much it is? 2 3s are 2 4s. So 2 into 3 into 4, 24. So therefore the period of the given function is 24. After that we will discuss maximum and minimum values of the functions in periodicity concept. We'll go to the next question. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. In the next episode we are going to discuss maximum and minimum. Thank you all. The next question. Find a cosine function whose period is 7. This is also another type question. This model. Previously we discussed different question. That means a direct question. This is indirect question. Find a cosine function whose period is 7. So let the required function be. Let the required function be f of x equal to cosine function means cos ax I am writing. What is the period of cos ax? 2 pi by mod a. Given that the period of f of x is 7. That is 2 pi by mod a is equal to 7. Cross multiply 2 pi equal to mod a into 7. That implies that mod a equal to 2 pi by 7. That implies a equal to plus or minus 2 pi by 7. So therefore the required function f of x equal to cos 2 pi by 7x. We'll move to the next question. Here on it is. Find a sine function whose period is 2 by 3. So let the required function be f of x equal to, here sine function is there. So sine ax I am taking that. So given that, what is the period? Given that the period of f of x is 2 by 3. That is, what is period of sin ax? 2 pi by a mod a, which is equal to 2 by 3. So on both sides 2 get cancelled, cross multiply, you will get 3 pi equal to mod a. So that implies that a equal to plus or minus 3 pi. Therefore the required function f of x equal to sine of ax plus or minus 3 pi x. Sine of plus 3x means sin 3 pi x, which is equal to plus or minus sin 3 pi x, which is the required function. Here why we are not writing plus or minus, cos of plus or minus theta, cos theta only, no, that is the reason. But here based on that it will change. Yeah. Thank you dear students for watching my channel.